Before anything else, I would like to thank the people who made this video possible, Lina and Arnold Castanaga. They graciously invited us to see the blooming sunflowers. Unfortunately, we were a bit late due to the constant rain, which made the ground wet and sticky, so we couldn't see the sunflowers in full bloom. But we did catch the end of it. Hopefully we can try again next year. We met Lina and Arnold when my cousin Nida, along with her husband Jong, visited Canada from the Philippines this year. Lina, Arnold, Nida, and Jong have been longtime friends. I believe their friendship dates back to their time at university. Once again, thank you Lina and Arnold for graciously allowing us to visit your farmhouse for a few hours. Now, let me share a bit about the sunflower farm in Canada. Sunflower farms in Canada are agricultural operations that cultivate sunflowers, primarily for their seeds and oil production. Sunflowers are a popular crop in Canada due to their versatility and the various uses of their seeds. Sunflower farming in Canada is most commonly found in the prairie provinces of Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta due to suitable climatic conditions and fertile soil. Sunflower thrive in regions with warm summers and moderate rainfall, making these provinces ideal for cultivation. Canadian sunflower farmers typically grow oilseed sunflowers, which are specifically bred for their oil-rich seeds because of their light flavor and high smoking point. They are used for cooking, frying, and baking, as well as in the production of snacks, birdseed, and other products. Sunflowers are often included in crop rotation plans to break disease and pest cycles and improve soil health. They are frequently rotated with other crops like wheat, canola, or barley. They are typically harvested in late summer or early fall when the seeds are mature. Specialized equipment is used for mechanical harvesting, separating the seeds from the flower heads. Sunflower seeds are a good source of nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. Sunflower oil, seeds, and related products are exported to international markets, contributing to Canada's agricultural trade. Many sunflower farms in Canada adopt a suitable farming practices to minimize their environmental impact. These include efficient water use, reduced pesticide use, and soil conservation measures. Just to let everyone know, we were careful not to damage any sunflower plants during the filming of this video. A reminder to all visitors, especially those planning to visit a sunflower farm for photo ops, to be mindful of the plants. Please do not trample or damage any plants. Consider the hard work of the farmers who planted these sunflowers. This is their livelihood. Any damaged plants could result in reduced production. Enjoyed this sunflower video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye bye!